How does modding help educate about game design? Introduction. The power of modding in game design education. Modding, the practice of modifying or adding to an existing game, is an accessible and engaging way to learn about game design. Whether it's altering gameplay mechanics, adding new content, or changing the way a game's system functions, modding allows enthusiasts and aspiring developers to gain hands-on experience. It provides a unique opportunity to understand how games are constructed and to experiment with design elements that can transform a game into something new and creative. Here's how modding helps educate about game design. 1. Practical application of design principles. Modding provides a practical, hands-on experience in applying game design principles. Game designers learn about systems, mechanics, pacing, and balance by tweaking existing games. Whether adding new levels, characters, or features, modders have to consider how changes affect the overall gameplay experience. This fosters a deeper understanding of key design concepts like flow, challenge, progression, and player interaction, which are essential in the creation of engaging and enjoyable games. 2. Understanding game engines and tools. Modding allows individuals to get familiar with the game engines and development tools that power popular games. Many mods are created using widely available software such as Unreal Engine, Unity, or proprietary modding tools like Skyrim's Creation Kit. Through modding, aspiring game designers can learn how to work with these engines, grasp the technical aspects of game creation, and understand how to manipulate game environments, mechanics, and physics. This knowledge is transferable to the professional game development world. 3. Learning problem solving and critical thinking. Modding requires creative problem solving and critical thinking. When modders add new features or content, they often encounter bugs, compatibility issues, or design challenges. These obstacles require players to troubleshoot and find solutions, which sharpens their problem-solving skills. Additionally, balancing mods to ensure they fit seamlessly within the game's ecosystem teaches modders how to iterate on design ideas and refine them based on playtesting feedback. 4. Experimenting with different game design elements. Modding offers a low-risk environment for experimenting with different aspects of game design. Modders can change mechanics, level design, art, sound, or narrative elements without needing to start from scratch. This experimentation fosters a better understanding of how individual elements contribute to the overall game experience. It's also an excellent way to explore niche areas of game design, such as AI programming, environmental storytelling, or procedural generation, which may not be explored in traditional development settings. 5. Feedback and community engagement. The modding community provides valuable feedback, which can be critical to understanding what works and what doesn't in a game. Mods often undergo intense playtesting, and modders receive feedback from players who can point out design flaws, bugs, or potential improvements. This process mimics the iterative development cycle in professional game design, where testing, feedback, and revisions play a significant role in refining a game. Engaging with the community also helps modders understand player behavior, preferences, and expectations. 6. Improving technical skills. Modding requires a blend of technical skills, including programming, scripting, 3D modeling, and texturing. Through modding, individuals develop a strong foundation in these areas, which are vital for professional game design. For instance, coding mods requires knowledge of programming languages like C# or Lua, while creating custom assets like textures and models helps individuals learn the basics of art design and animation. This wide range of skills provides a comprehensive education in various facets of game development. 7. Creating personal portfolios. Modding can serve as a valuable tool for building a game design portfolio. Aspiring developers can showcase their mods as evidence of their abilities and creativity. Whether it's a new game mode, a custom-built environment, or an innovative mechanic, mods demonstrate practical skills in game development. A portfolio filled with mods can catch the attention of potential employers or collaborators, providing a tangible and impressive representation of an individual's design talents. 8. Understanding player-centered design. Modding teaches the importance of creating experiences with the player in mind. When modding a game, designers have to consider how their changes will impact player experience and whether the alterations make the game more enjoyable. This focus on the player's perspective helps modders develop empathy for players' needs and preferences. Understanding this user-centered approach is crucial for any game designer, as player engagement and satisfaction are key to the success of a game. 9. Collaborative skills. Many modding projects are collaborative, involving teams of modders with different skill sets, such as programmers, artists, writers, and sound designers. Collaboration is a vital part of the professional game development process, and modding provides an opportunity to experience it firsthand. By working with others, modders learn how to communicate, coordinate tasks, share ideas, and integrate different elements into a cohesive project. These experiences mirror the teamwork involved in large-scale game development. 10. Developing passion for game design. Finally, modding fosters a passion for game design. It allows people to interact with games they love and make personal contributions to them, whether through small tweaks or large-scale projects. This passion can drive individuals to pursue careers in game development, as they gain the confidence and skills needed to create their own games from the ground up. Modding nurtures creativity and the drive to innovate, which are foundational qualities for any game designer. Conclusion. A gateway to game design education. Modding is a powerful tool for learning about game design, offering hands-on experience in applying game development principles, learning technical skills, and experimenting with creative ideas. It fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and a player-centered approach to design. For aspiring game designers, modding serves as a stepping stone toward understanding the complexities of game creation while providing valuable opportunities for collaboration, feedback, and portfolio building. Whether working on small-scale mods or ambitious projects, modders gain a well-rounded education that prepares them for a successful career in the gaming industry.